Alright guys, so today what we're going to do is we're going to do some harder problems with solving linear equations. It's going to be just more in depth with a variable on one side and kind of get into the more complicated problems. If you have any questions over anything so far, please make sure you reach out to Ms. Sanders or myself. Again, we have office hours posted and are more than happy to help. Just you have to let us know. With that being said, let's go over these three problems. So in the video, I'm going to pause this and have you answer it, and then I'm going to work them out. All right, so the first one, I'm going to draw my little line here. I'm going to add 2 to both sides because I want to get that 1/4 x by itself. And then there's 2 different ways to solve this. So I can leave it like this, or I can rewrite it as 1x on top divided by 4 equals 5. If you're going to do the left-hand one, I would divide by 1/4 because right now you're multiplying the x by 1/4. You would type that into your calculator and get your answer. Or if you did it on the right-hand side, if you rewrote it, you can multiply by 4 because you're taking that x and you're dividing by 4. So I multiply both sides by 4 and I get x equals 20. So you get the same answer regardless. Just know that it should be 20. Number 2 gets a little bit harder. So what you're going to do is you're going to combine like terms. So I want to look at the left-hand side. What can I combine? That's my first process. I have 3x, 5x, and a negative x. So when I do that, I get 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7, so I have 7x. You can also combine constants or numbers that are by themselves. So 4 plus 7 would be a positive 11. And now you're going to solve it. I would subtract 11. Rewrite my problem. Divide by 7 because you're multiplying by 7, so you got to do the opposite to get rid of it. And I get my answer. X is 11. All right, the last one. And if at any point you need to pause the video, you can do that yourself as well if it's not at a pause point on mine in the Edpuzzle video. So the first thing I want to do on this one is distribute. This one you have to distribute twice. So I'm going to get 8a plus 12. Now notice you're distributing a negative 3, so it's going to be negative 3a plus 3 because a negative times a negative is a positive equals my answer. Now I look at the left-hand side after I distributed. I combine like terms. 8a minus 3a would be 5a. And then 12 plus 3 would be 15 equals 30. Now I'm going to solve it. I want to get the 5a by itself, so I'm going to subtract 15 to get rid of that positive 15. I'm going to divide by 5 because I'm multiplying by 5 and the opposite of multiplication is division. You get a equals 3. Alright, if you struggle with this, please let us know and we'll be more than happy to give you more examples or help you with some other things or other examples of problems of this type. That's all I have for today, so have a good day, guys.